Hi, I'm Penny from SmartFinancial. Let's take a look at how your car insurance policy works. When you get into an unexpected accident, car insurance protects you from paying for your losses completely out of pocket. Liability insurance is required in nearly all states and will pay for the other person's repair and medical bills if you're the at-fault driver. Your state may require other types of coverage, such as personal injury protection for your medical bills and uninsured motorist insurance, which covers your losses if the other driver was at fault but doesn't have insurance. If you're financing or leasing your car, you'll also need collision and comprehensive coverage. After paying your deductible, these protections will cover losses from physical damages, like striking another car or object, fire, vandalism, and even theft. Don't let unexpected accidents take you by surprise. At SmartFinancial, we understand how important it is to find an auto insurance policy that fits your budget and provides the coverage you need. That's why we make it easy for you to compare quotes from top insurance companies and find the best policy for you.